My name is Nicole Lipper from Priority's product team. In this demo, we will go over the integration and extensibility functionality in Priority. Before we drill down and talk about the rich integration functionality that Priority has to offer, I'd like to take a minute and tell you about Priority's product strategy to provide ERP as a platform. While traditional ERP systems were fundamentally created with a specific function in mind, the Enterprise Resource Platform is not bound to any preconceived idea. Rather, it exists to open the platform beyond its core services to enable Priority customers and developers to tailor the system to their organizational and individual needs. Similar to Gartner's composable ERP, at Priority, we believe that in order for an ERP to truly serve as an organizational platform, it should deliver generic cross-functional capabilities such as flexibility, mobile, and a highly intuitive user experience, and of course, system openness. Openness and connectivity represent the idea that the ERP system is no longer the one and only system in the organization. It's part of a whole story of systems, applications, devices, and channels that have to communicate in a common language. Like an orchestra that has to play in harmony, and the ERP's role is to be the single source of truth in real time. Priority opens the door to real connectivity, offering multiple layers of integration. I'll go over this slide briefly, and then I'll drill down to each and every one of the layers and also discuss some examples. Basically, we are talking about three layers. The first and most fundamental layer is the rich variety of integration tools, such as APIs, ODBC, that enable full connectivity between Priority Cloud and third parties to support any business need. The second layer is a set of pre-built connectors that we offer in Priority's marketplace, and customers can use these integrations to expand their organizational system. The third layer describes how we at Priority open the system and embedded external applications into it to enrich our core offering, and we'll see a few examples of that too. So let's start with the first level and go into detail about each and every one of these features. Priority offers a set of tools and technologies for our customers to build an unlimited number of custom-made integrations to support their specific needs. It's part of our product strategy to not only provide smart and advanced solutions, but also to constantly equip them with high-end, sophisticated tools to allow them to adjust to the world's ever-changing dynamics. Our REST API offers external applications both reading and writing capabilities in Priority. Each and every field in Priority is an endpoint, and this basically allows you to use the API to interface with any fields in the system, maximizing the company's ability to support any business logic for maximum flexibility. Not only do we support standard fields that are part of the vanilla package, but we also support individually customized fields. Of course, all of our APIs maintain a high level of security by automatically applying user privileges and data privileges over the API connection. Similar to the REST API, Priority offers an ODBC connector based on a dynamic semantic layer, mainly as a tool for analytics and reporting. Priority Cloud has an advanced solution for external apps that are unable to integrate using API and still need to use traditional file-based interfaces to transfer data from system to system, and we call this Cloud File Sync. Let me move on to the next slide to review our webhooks functionality. When we talked about APIs, we discussed how third-party applications can read and write data to Priority. Now I'd like to show you how our webhooks tool enables Priority to be the initiator of processes in external applications. So for example, when a purchase order is approved in Priority, its details are automatically sent to the supplier's system for processing. This obviously saves a lot of time on both sides and prevents human errors deriving from manual entry of data, and contributes to higher business efficiency and automation. Of course, this tool can be used in any business process between Priority and any other application. This was just an example of one of the use cases. Another thing that's worth mentioning is that this webhook tool in Priority can be used by end users and not developers with no code at all. Once you set up the webhook, you can easily add it to the BPM process in your organization. Now that we've seen how two systems can be easily integrated, I'd like to give an example of how we can easily integrate thousands of systems, achieving hyperconnectivity. One of the examples of this is our integration with Zapier. Zapier allows connecting priority to over 3,000 applications offered by the platform in a wide range of business scenarios, like e-commerce platforms, for example. Of course, these scenarios can be initiated by either priority or the third party. Our architecture also allows hybrid connectivity. If, for example, the third-party application happens to be on-prem and not SaaS, we can still connect it to Priority Cloud using our advanced integration tool called Priority Connect, which provides cloud-native services for integrating applications with Priority. Moving forward to the second level of integration, I'd like to tell you a little bit about our pre-built connectors that we offer our customers. Today, we already have over 100 plug-and-play connectors to accommodate a wide variety of applications, and all of them are based on API. The connectors came from various areas that are common in best-of-breed software, such as BI, e-commerce, and others. Sometimes the functionality is already a part of Priority's core system, which is the case for HCM and CRM, and yet customers can choose to integrate with external applications because we believe that openness is the name of the game, and that will eventually lead our customers to better business results. This is a screenshot from Priorities Marketplace. This is where all our connectors are displayed and offered to our customers. As I started to mention before, we have several types of connectors. Some of the examples are connectors to e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Magento, BI connectors such as Power BI, and other connectors that provide complementary services like automation in the AP arena, powered by an OCR engine and built-in AI. Other examples include intelligent data-driven insights for sales teams like upsells and cross-sells, instant communication using conversational UI via chatbots, smart cloud label printing solutions, and many more. Moving on to the third level of integration, where I'd like to share how we at Priority embed certain business processes directly into the system so that our customers can enjoy streamlined core ERP processes without having to switch between systems. A good example of how we embedded processes into Priority is our digital banking solution. Our customers can easily use real-time data and direct connection to banking systems in order to view bank statements and make payments directly out of Priority without having to upload or download files or manually enter the data twice in two different systems. The same can be said about our integration with Avalara that provides real-time advanced tax calculation directly in Priority. We're also connected to world-known shippers such as FedEx, UPS, and many more, providing our customers with the ability to seamlessly deliver goods around the world without leaving Priority's interface. Of course, these are just some of the examples of our embedded solutions, and there are many more. All the integration capabilities we talked about in this session are open to our whole ecosystem, and that knowledge base is available in our full developer portal. Besides the integration capabilities, Priority Platform has a robust SDK that enables developers to add custom functionality to the core ERP system. Our customers and partners use Priority's SDKs for their everyday needs, including full vertical solutions on the one hand, for example, retail, construction, and private customizations for specific customer scenarios on the other hand, like a personalized digital invoice, for example. So in conclusion, as you can see, Priority provides a full set of tools to integrate with any other platforms and to extend core functionality, making Priority an open and flexible SaaS system that meets your current and future needs for integration, no matter if the third-party application is SaaS, on-prem, or anything in the middle. Thank you very much for your time.